Hey everyone! Are you feeling the pressure as April rolls in and that tax deadline inches closer? If you're starting to worry thinking about getting your taxes done on time, I've got some good news for you. You can breathe a sigh of relief because filing for a tax extension is an option that could significantly ease that pressure. Today, we're diving into exactly how you can secure that extension and give yourself the breathing room you need. Let's get started. So, first things first, let's figure out if an extension is the way to go for you. And you might be thinking, do I even need one? Well, if any of these sound familiar, like you're scrambling to get all your tax documents together, waiting on a late arriving tax form, dealing with personal or family emergencies, or navigating big life changes like moving or changing jobs, then an extension could be your best friend. And just so you know, the IRS doesn't need to know why you're asking for more time. It's pretty straightforward. Now, onto the how. The magic form here is the IRS Form 4868. You can find and fill it out directly on the IRS website, and we will put a link in the description below. It's totally free, whether you do it online or by mail. Online, you'll just need to have your personal details handy, think name, address, and social security number. Plus, you'll estimate your tax liability and what you've already paid. Opting for mail means you'll print and fill out the form manually, then send it off to the designated address. Remember, it's crucial to get this done before the tax year deadline rolls around. But here's a crucial point to remember. Extending the time to file your return doesn't mean you get more time to pay. You still need to estimate and pay any owed taxes by the original April deadline. Falling behind could mean penalties and interest, so let's avoid that. And then, after you submit Form 4868, keep an eye out for confirmation from the IRS, an email if you went digital, or a letter if you mailed it in. Did not get a confirmation? Then I'd recommend following up to ensure everything's on track. Moving on, once you have your extension secured, use this extra time wisely, since you will have until October to file your return. It's a golden opportunity to ensure all your tax documents are accurate and to explore potential tax credits and deductions. These can be game changers for saving money. And if tax laws seem like a maze, don't hesitate to consult a tax professional, since it's better to get guidance than to navigate these waters alone. So remember, while an extension grants you extra time to file, it doesn't give you more time to pay your taxes. It's important to estimate and settle any taxes owed by the April deadline to avoid penalties and interest. You know, tax season doesn't have to be stressful. With a little planning and the right information, you can navigate it with ease. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tax and financial tips. Wishing you the best of luck this tax season. See you next time.